In this tutorial, I will show you how to add extensions in Brave browser. So what you want to do to add extension in Brave browser is to go in top right corner and you're going to click on these three lines. Here you're going to scroll down till you see settings and you're going to open them. Now that we're on settings, we're going to go to left bar, and here as you can see we have the option for settings, so let's open them. Then what we want to do here at extension is to go down again to click on get more extensions. As you can see, Chrome Web Store has been open. So what we want to do now is to choose the extension that we want to add to our Brave browser. You can either discover it on the home page or you can search for it. I'm going to search for Google Translate. Then I'm going to click on it. And the last step to add the extension is to click on here, which stands for Add to Brave. Then you're going to click on Add Extension. And as you can see here at the puzzle icon, we have Google Translate extension. If you click on it, you can manage the extensions. Also, you can pin it or you can change the settings for it. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.